With the question, could it be more convenient? We started dreaming of change. When the question turns into an answer, doctors gain a better environment and patients experience better surgeries. We are EROP, committed to benefiting both doctors and patients with the belief that improvement is always possible. Founded in 2018, EROP is a medical device manufacturing venture that continuously strives to improve surgical efficiency and patient satisfaction through a consortium of surgeons. At EROP, surgeons with hands-on medical experience directly participate in developing practical and effective medical devices. As a recognized leader in Korea's medical device industry, we have earned awards like the Korea Excellent Patent Award and Innovation Leader Award. By incorporating the expertise and insights of Korean surgeons based on real medical systems, we develop products that enhance patient satisfaction and are easy for surgeons to use. Our products undergo in-house evaluations and clinical trials, gathering data to enhance competitiveness and quality. We ensure safety with hygienic, systematic production facilities, including clean rooms and prototype labs. We also collaborate with companies, hospitals, and institutions to focus on R&D, enhancing medical services. We have gained recognition for our excellence through Korean and global certifications and intellectual property rights, with continuous sales growth reflecting our significant progress. EROP captures insights from the medical field to globally export Korea's surgical culture while leading a new healthcare paradigm. With higher quality medical devices that benefit both doctors and patients.
나를 이롭게 하는,
너를 이롭게 하는, 우리를 이롭게 하는
세상을 이롭게 하는
우리는 이롭입니다.